Keblei pi baro syakatup kubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Raki lingku senembalai ke Shillong All Faiths Forum. Ye kenduk kinong repat kimal jan hakayo pen inam garu batha. Penlong job fair ke Bosco Integrated Development Society. Bat ruat ke KHUBOR kat nun lut ban maramon. Bat mentang in pa syaki kubor bakam banyak. Kasenjuk jong kiseng niam beper ke badan Shillong ke Shillong All Faiths Forum SAFF hakash pautrik Nailar kalaraki ke jingdap lais nempura bala sengya ka kash pautrik Nailar arjar arpau habaga klam COVID-19 kedang kelang hagani ke jella hari India baraka perthai berok kawai kajing temu jongani kasenjuk kiseng niam kalong ban wanra ya kajing suk kajing shong shngan bat kajing ya kun persya kajing sniu ki bakta ke imlang salang kam tam lele udrok. Ia kini kejingelang raki lingkus nembalai la pelong habian ki hall Cathedral Parish lain kra ha ke baulat badon buram ke Meghalaya pagu chohan ulalong ukongsan ha kini kesengi. Kini kejingelang kala emerging mut ha ki pang ki bayade berkesuk kesan ha ki imlang salang jeng ki pat nong shong shnong ke Shillong bat ke jela Meghalaya barok away. President Most Reverend Bishop Piling Dot na ke Church of North India ula ai kejingkren pediang ngobhayo kongsan bat ya barok kinoket kam jong kini kesenjuk. Usketri jongani kesenjuk Reverend Father Richard Majau Vicar General Shillong Archdiocese ula ay ke report terekam jongani kesenjuk naduk balas tang ya ka haduk kani kesengi. Hakani ke jingra ki lengku snem ki samla na ke seng khasi kimi kila ay ke jingruai tenrai kat ba ki wei pat ki bala shimenta na ke benta ke cultural program ki kentup ke jing shat na ki dekot jong Shillong Gurdwara. Ki wei pat ki bala kren hakani ke jingelang ki long arpita barwa naba bata charji Dr. Omar Lin Kindia bat uba nur nongrum ula ai ke jing kublai penwai. Haba kren kilat pathai kubor u Bishop Piling Do ubadi President ke SAFF ula ong beling ba ke jing don jong ke SAFF kalai rap shisha ye ki pai pa. Ula ong ru bana kaliang jong ke SAFF kilai tai benyak bah halor ke jing kerni ki kena samlah ke jing di penbuat baharukom. Ulai tu ru babarok ki dekot jong ke SAFF ki dini ki nyam beper ki bay terelang da kawai ke jing mut pan wanra ke jing long kawai kum ki nong shong shnong kari India ki bay imsuk imsan para brio ki baburom markelyang bat ki bay tenrong lem ha ka kia ka shan ha ki imlang salang kini ki di ki jing temu bat ki mat terekam bekongsan jong ke SAFF ha kini ke jella.
Well, 3 years is not a very long time. Considering the age of our state, Meghalaya, but SAF, as you have heard just now, was formed during the COVID problems. The government had invited the faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections, and all that is necessary. So, as a SAF, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to the government, and they have been accepted. Then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, but besides all that, the best part of SAF is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. What I said, though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, so much problems. SAF is a small seed we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, and there's government, what the society required of us. We, the staff, is there, always willing to help and be of service to the society.
The city is not.
It is still to be verified, so that's why we have not really gone deep into the matter. But we are keeping up with all these incidents in the convention. We in our last meeting, we have talked about Manipur, and immediately the one and the only thing that staff can offer is prayer for peace, prayer for harmony. So we have done that, and together as one body, and we'll see in the future what can be done. We'll take it. South is there to bring about peace, harmony, brotherhood. Discuss and see what we can do, or what way we can help the people in Manipur. If in Shillong this is possible, we believe that it should be possible anywhere.
Meghalaya Basin Management Agency rengkat kita nak terekam ke Sorkar Southwest Garo Hills kila pelong ya ke Yaude Marep Hamadan LP School Garo Badha ban penclori kinong rep ban ye kendo iki mahajan kenang ban penyar bat penpriang ye ki Marep Shakiwei pat ki Yauhe hakeling keri. Hakini ke Yau kinong rep kile kendo bat ye merjingmut bat ki mahajan ki ofisar jang kita nak Sorkar bat kinong thet marba. Kinong teri jong ki bangru kila boy ban peni ha kinong rep ye kilat kilinti jing kershan lingba ki ram babunjat ha kasut kabarit dor. Kabosco Integrated Development Society kala pelong ye ke job fair ha kashpau terik Nailar ha Don Bosco Technical School Shillong. Lapli kini ke program da kakong A Kharpor Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training Shillong ha ka jinge don ringkat Reverend Father Paul Olingkot INS Provincial ki officer jong ki company ki kena wat kam bat kinong hikai. Hakate kesngi ladon haduk live south ki company beper ki bawat nong tere ban aikam aijam bat ban pelilat ki samla ki bal dep pule bat ki badang pule Don Bosco Technical School Shillong Jawai bat nong ston.
Dear dynamic youth of today, congratulations on being part of the vibrant tapestry of the Job Fair 2023. Today, we gather not just to explore job prospects, but to embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and limitless potential. As you step into this arena of opportunities, let your spirits soar and your aspirations take flight. In the world teeming with innovation and transformation, you stand at the forefront of change. Each of you holds within the power to shape the future, to carve out your unique path, and to leave an indelible mark on the canvas of time. The doors you open today are not just entryways to jobs. They are gateways to a realms of possibilities waiting for your exploration. But young people, see beyond the tables and brochures which I'm going to explain in a few moments. So many tables are there, and so many brochures you receive from different companies. But envision these stalls, my young people, as gateways to your dreams. Remember this. As gateways to your dreams, all the stalls are here. Every conversation that you are going to have, every connection you make has the potential to alter the course of your life. Whether you are drawn to technology's enchanting dance, the canvas of creativity, the realm of finance, or the healing touch of healthcare, your journey begins here today. Your journey begins here today, my dear young people. Remember, my dear young people, success is not an end destination. It is a thrilling expedition. Embrace the inevitable hurdles as opportunities to learn, to grow, and evolve. Let setbacks be the fuel for your determination and obstacles mere stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. My dear young people, the path you tread may seem daunting, but remember, every great story is woven with challenges. Your journey today will be your own, unique and incomparable. Embrace it with unwavering courage, resilience, and uninsatiable hunger of for growth. Just as a diamond shines brightest under pressure, you too, my dear young people, will dazzle as you overcome obstacles. Embrace lifelong learning, for knowledge is the currency that propels you towards your dreams. In this ever-evolving landscape, those who adapt and learn will be a true architects of progress. Above all, my dear young people, so many of you are here, hundreds of you are here. Believe in yourself. Very important is what? Believe in yourself. Do not believe in your parents. Do not believe on your friends. Most important is to believe in yourself.
Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council kalapha ruat haga kinhun bekerpang bekentup yau chairman ba lamprang bela ba Victor Rani ba rangkensai kharbuki bantip antat kinu ki kam ki badai ban maramot bat katnu ka jinglot kan kenjok ban maramot ye ki yeng kisem kilinti singkin ki surok bat ye karong karup ban penriam bat ban pen itenat ladawan ra biang ye kata masa Khasi Heritage Village Hamau Plang kabala sangi no mental lakat tukan nisnem. Las ngau thu bandon buon kita nak sorkar jela bat sorkar India ki ban Beijing lot na kebenta jong ini kejing temu jong ka KHUBOR ban penlong biang ye kata masa Khasi Heritage Village Mau Plang. Kasyong haduk kat nu ka KHUBOR kan sedang penki shwa na la ka jong ka pelapisa na kebenta kini kejing temu.
Kejing wan kejing mentahang ne kalong bangin pek ka ka priority ka badon kam ka bangin le akman. Te yakine ngin ya hagini ki kendiat sengi ki banwan ngin sedang ia ke ban maramot ia ke ban renovation kat ke ba idon kam ke ba sia akman hagbi dei ban penbit penbiang alur ka water supply hagbi dei ban penbit penbiang bat ki electricity bat hagaju ko poru hagbi dei ban maramot yeki surok snong ki bangi idon kam na ke benta ketika program ka ban agaliang ka council ngin sa penlong hag banai Desember. Bargajing temu ko bakongsan i kalau bangin showcase ya pertai ku mga ong ya gajing rius pa jongi hagabide bat kariti ka dustur. Tengas ngau banong kita gidei kijing yo nong habangi penlong ya kene ka festival. Khatlai khatsau bangi pelong khadu ya kene ka festival. Hari ngim siam layo syu bangin pelong festival kene ki senem ki basa day halor kene ka nongrim basa sisin ki kwa biang bengin pelong ya kene ka festival mari ngi sungthu bagani ka moonlit festival kum bangila pelong ini ki senem ki baladep ngi i bagani ka we ni ki festival ngala ban ong ka bapau ni ki bapau nam tam na boro ki festival hapo ka jela ka jongi
Ikan ikan cakap borok kawai bat ka jingon ra ilaj ki surok ki om kat noi kam bu ka HDC ban pulut.
Harbede bat ke jing penlot kat mentang empat semle erma kat nu ngin penlot ang ne tiga ne ke sengi ke bangiwan ban jurip ban pet ki ki kam ki basya akman bal se haki kendiat sengi ki banwan ngilala ya ka ba ngin hab ban penkre ban penbet penbiang ban erma ya ke ne ke jing lot harbede bat ke ne ka jing penbet penbiang penkre penkrum yeki kam ki ba hakmat
Superintendent Engineer Naga Council lawan lang unsna ya DPR detail project report unsa place po isi khamar isi ta por yunta tingin laban batai on constraint yung don re ga pisa ban pumlong ban law snam te le na ta kada ba na du ar ja khatlai yimla ar ban pumlong ya ga molit festival te hakane ga sin pat nilaya tumu ban pumlong ya kane te usi yang la shimkhia jadi siap si yang burung ladai bendan lang hakani kasih wan jurip lang tamba dan ka kam ko bakarke balau hable chadeli di ulapa tang yang em pun peja kan ka kam patngen ai report you ada lawan phai na port delhi
Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasi Hills Subati Lingwa kum ukongsan ulapli pat ba ya kapung dok kha hasnong dirang kabala ai nam haki khla ka wat jinglat lut kari India haka khandai tarik Nailar balashna batte de ki pat ba lingba ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme ya kabala tip pat ba kum ga jing trai pat ba shispa sngi haka jinglut kabala kot shaka arpun riu lak tingka Haka jingya lang pli ya kani kapung dokha la don lang uba L Kinjing SDO Civil Karanikor uba S Marwen BDO Karanikor uba DD Khardosau Menteri Kashnong Dirang kipat ba Shinrang bat kentei ki blai don kti bante ya kani kapung nakate kathan Haka jing kren kum ukongsan uba ti lingwa ulapen paw ya kajing kemen bakani kathan kalong ka ba imsuk imsan ringkat ki jaj ban ria babon jaj bat ki bala ban ya trelang kum ka we kabut kabor ban wanra bat pen paw perthai ya kani kapung dok kha ka ba itenat Uloong bakajing ai nam haki kla ka wat jing lat lut ya kani kapung kalong ka ba ya day bat ka ba ya hap sur bha khamtam lele bakari ka rakhi ka jing dap nyup san snem ka jing lat lut nakikti jong ka sarkar nong wei Ulay ro ek jing tere shitom jang ki officer kinong penyat chnong bat ki pat ba na kani kathan. Ula penkut ya jing kren da ka boong kani kamati jang ki pat ba ka shnong dirang kanlong kanuksa babha shaki wei pat ki shnong.
Ha kapan kintiu ya gari India. Makular ban penduno ya kanu jing sngau sya temrau akibor nes jing syar nong wei. Ngakular ban sarang haga ban kentiu ban penne pensa ban penrai yala kajong kariki kadustur ngakular ban long wanra ya gajing ya teli bat ban tesong ya gajing long kawai kari ngakular ban pendem ya ki kamram bat ki jingke kle bala benset hanga na benta kari ngakular ban nyau buram ya ka len lade ki reuslur na ka benta kari ban ngan penle jingmun banyada bat ban kmi ya ka jingke iran jongkari kumlesibu bat kila ya roi ba hal ni kasnong ya kanto iki pin long ki bayane batin ya kene ya kene ka grup ke jogi bat kene le bon ki kam iban penmentoi hi ya kilong gieng dong sno bola kan ni sno kalong ka barit ru ndrei kajing ya snok ti lang jong pi hani por pen pau ya jing kali jong pi ni tep makani ka sno jong pi kalong ka sno ka bai tulik bat ki ri rong ba kilong ki brit wala shai Ila sumpu, ila sempang, dia masuk box bun, bangaya perlu iki, bangaya kapor. Dia nak yang jangan ngapua, kalau ngiti ba, nan lingba kan ka program sispas ni ni randon si bon ki di bangin la wandang train ni semat ban pen internet dia ka pung ban sinar kata ka jingkan kam ka ba ban internet ban kring ni wan jo kai te nakalian office jo block la train system kila train ni ba ni buat apa yang kijing duna kijongki jingbam biang ndre kila penbiang ya ka program mementasi nga ai publish bore ke kinongre yo video ka group kijongki angka US dio berasim ya ka jingket le ban jalan bentang hanya ke por dia kani ka program mentah kan long kani ka kalau gajing sedang kan play ya ki jimut perkhat jongi ban play ya ki ban idea yang kemno bangin pen bahai ki kam ki jam ki jongi ban kemno bangin perkhat nang sekmat ni hagari jongi ngidan kam su ya ki reusur nomor ba ngidan kam ya lawai ba pernai ban yalam nanti ya upai jong kani kari jungi niket ba kani kari jungi kalau ka priyo kari ko bon pai bat bon ki jat ki kanol ki bakher nrei ni long pat kawai ban ni la ini ya kata haru menta nyo po san snem pa
Hakasngi penyeng pat ba yo mot sa nam jong sim ngap sing ha sakwang ha ka khandai trik Nailar ha ka ba ki pat ba na ka thain southwest Khasi Hills kilawan ban shimenta ha ka jingelang pat ba ha ka ni kasngi sa kin mau la penchit rem shu ya ka ni kasngi da ka jing rakhi ki program jong sarkar India balatip kum ka azadi ka amrit motsav mera matti mera desh Uba LT Tariang ADC Gani District ulalong Kongsan Hakani Jingelang Penpau Pat Ba Ye Uniu Mot Sa Nam Jong Sim Ngap Sing Kahima Maharam ubalalong uwe Niki Kla Kawat Jong Hinyo Trep Ye Uniu Mot Sa Nam La Penyeng Kenjereng Hasenda Kapung Baitenat Balate Di Kipat Ba Ling Bagi Kambala Shispasngi Uba Tariang ula penken mau ye kipat ba bakani kesngi kan long ka kordor lada barok kipat ba ki phai shiki mati balay lam lenti do news im jong ki maram ubalay le ban penyeng yala ka akor ka jing e la ka thmei yala ka khndau ka siap bat ya ka mariang ki program jong ka sarkar jilla bat sarkar India ke le pentelun ye ki kampen roy shiki shnong ki bran shakendong tam jong ka jilla ula kentui ki khna school ban e yala ka ying ka sem ya ka mariang bat ye ki ding ki se Kimrat kimreng kibedan hakeleng ki klau ki betap lawan ban shimenta bat sakhi gini kejingelang do video ka mau kerwat sin adi blok uba ai lauren yang usordar ke sakwang ba es kharjarin kinong ilam ke VEC sakwang ki khna school bat ki pat ba belai kerhai
bat kumta terter ka ban kut ha news nam bomenta bat jing rakhi ya ka Independence Day na ni kasngi jinglang duit ke ba hinyo ke ban dong ha khatsan trik agas arjat apply dia sansisian na shim ya kani ka team ka balap kre nadu ka sarkar kami ba kadai kata ka team ka baki ka meri meti mere desh kata ka mot ka khandau ka jumi kari ka jumi te kumshi benta ha kani ki jigar ki la yo ban pelong ya kani ka program menta rasmi ha kani ka pung kani ka amrit sarva site kata kalong kumshi benta ha ka jing penek pensa ya ka mariang ka jumi bat kum ka jingar ki kani ka si ilala pan penek pensa andan ya kani ka amrit sarva site ka baitna kani ka si kalau ru kai ek bas tanat bangila yo ru bamanta rasni enlong ku kadak bangila urun play ya kani ka pungum ka baitna ka badan ka shnong satwang bat kini ki bumarjan bat nenget lalong ru kawai na ki tourist spot namar kalong baitna sisa kani ka site bangidan menta dia kindiap akwaru ban penkermau ba hagane kasni ka bangi rakhi kasni jingla duat ila kumla batai menteri mene ngidan ru yakine ki beneficiaries ki ba dei na pi me wai ngidan ki khna school ngidan ki nong tai job card joni ibala yo bentalam bani shimenta hagane ki jingra khi yakane kasni la duat bat kumjuru yakane ka jingple yakane ka amrit soro site hakashno mejumpi dan kumba light lutam inong yo jingmentoi na kane scheme PMY hakani kasnang satwang bat pendan satwang ka bahap hakani ka EC satwang bat kini ki longyem kum ikwa ban penshai chapi ba lingba kani ka scheme PMY insala banyo ya kini ki ya yem ka jompi ringkat ban panchana ka ka gas bat ka electricity connection baro ka ban pendap hi how news nam araja apply arusal kumjuru kumkajing pendek limba ki schemes ke bangdan aku blok ba ki dan ki jing ai jing pendek sapang ki scheme pair ngetai ki dan ki pamphlet bagi lara pinkre bagi sasam ya ki nongshi menta harne gasmi nakaliam jom DDU jikwai idan ki training ki pair ki bala ban ai ya ki khna gajbi komba arpu tuli ki preach bagi la ban shimenta de kunjuru nakaliam ki bala shimenta ki self group bagi dan buan ki scheme ki livelihood ki manfaat activity pat ki ba ni la juyo man kapur ba ni rakhi ya kane ki jimutoi la yo ki nong song jong kari India
Kinong Shangnong ka resubel para bat rongrong kila ut bat linear ya kajing mong renjan jong kisurok hanot Garo Hills District. Kijing sniu kisurok hakani ka district kila bu ikinong let nang wan ha ka sosat ka bashirkay namar ki marbam ki kiw dorman ka sngi kat ba ki marep ki hier dorman ka tayaw na kijing kalit kawan. Ki Borsen Char District ki engineer PWD ki menteri sorkar ki MLA bat ki MDC ki ja bat ri lut chakendong bat kimdon por ban kenere lagi kti na kabenta ka baha kamiat jong ki pat nong kendong la kenno ki briu na kani ka district na kani ka jing ki kena school ki haban siu bai kali ha kador ka barem kani ka kta ikayo kokot kilong ying long sem ki baduna beduk barangli ki laong man ka teng ki pat ba ki mi na lagi shnong ban maramot kat ba kila ki surok ha ki shnong kani ka district Kibriu na resubel para bat rongrong kila uchu MLA jongki ban pai urendang shikini kijing jongki.
Ram bisong skuri ro pengkuri kat ro takke tak na. Aganat. Tik se aganat. Emo. Bot mat namang mang.
Kaseng FKJGP Nongknum Circle hakash Pautrik Nailar kalalit bani kendo ka District Medical and Health Officer ka West Khasi Hills man pensngau halor ka Jingbambyang Health Sub Center ha District Barokaway. Hakate ka jing kendo kaseng kalakarpat ka Dr. S.A. Lingdo District Medical and Health Officer ka West Khasi Hills bakan shimkhia ban penbyang ki jingdon kam ki bakongsan ha ki artali ki Sub Center ka than kata ha sangriang bat ha berki. Kaseng kalapens ngawru ba ka berki Sub Center hadu menta kamdon ka wayru ka nurse nadu bala sya pen kendri akam no ia ka baladon menchwa. Kaseng kaladawa bantung no ikiners bat doktor hakite ki arteli ki Sub Center madru ban penbyang ki jingdon kam kum ka umbam umdi bat ban bu ikinong penkhut bat ban pha maramot iki kamra ki balajat bat sator. Bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poisya ka bakut tat hadu pengindesya biang kuble shibot.